In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the signature settings, how to format your details, and how to make your signature appear automatically on new messages and replies. Start on your Outlook homepage, right where you see your inbox. This is the web version of Outlook, and the controls we'll use live in the top right corner. Look for the small gear icon, which opens Settings. Go ahead and click that gear to open the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. If you only see quick settings at first, that's fine. Just continue into the full settings area so we can access all the mail options. Inside settings, navigate to the section labeled Account. This area groups together options related to your Outlook account and how your email behaves. From there, locate the Signatures option. Selecting Signatures opens the editor where you'll build and manage what appears at the bottom of your emails. In the Signature editor, you'll see a text box with formatting tools similar to a basic word processor. Type the information you want to appear after your messages, such as your name, job title, company, and appropriate contact details. Keep it professional and concise. Use the formatting toolbar to adjust fonts, add bold or italics for emphasis, and align elements so everything looks clean. If you want website or social links, highlight the text and use the link tool to insert the URL. Hyperlinked text keeps your signature tidy. You can add a small logo or icon if your organization allows it, but use optimized images to avoid large file sizes that can trigger spam filters. A good rule of thumb is to keep the signature simple, accessible, and legible on both desktop and mobile. If you communicate with people who receive plain text emails, consider a version that still reads well without color or images. Below the editor, look for options to set your signature as the default for new emails and for replies or forwards. Turning these on saves you from inserting the signature manually every time. If you manage multiple mail accounts in Outlook, make sure the signature is assigned to the correct one. When you're satisfied, save your changes. From now on, your messages will include your polished, consistent sign-off automatically. If something doesn't look right, return to Signatures, adjust the formatting, save, and you're good to go. That's it. Your Outlook signature is set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.